So this is another day. Just came to the scrapyard just to look for air temperature for my E46, and I cannot find any E46 here. But in those years, BMW, BMW and Mini use most of the same parts. Came to look for this one. Yeah, already found it. Lovely. It's exactly the same one that I need. Found another 3 Series. This is the most recent one. More recent than mine. Oof, they stripped it properly. Jesus, still got all the dust and everything. Steering wheel is gone. Seats are gone. And engine is gone as well. Just left wherever they don't need. And this one doesn't have the... Oh, it does. Nah, gone. I was looking for the sensor to see if he had, but it's gone. Don't blame them. Yeah, I got this for a pretty good bargain. Look at this bad boy. Ooh. I'm just gonna see if it fits, and then when I get home, I will put it properly, because I got the cable as well. So, because I think the night that I was drifting, this bit here just fell and snapped somehow. How I don't know, like probably the wheel got on top of it and then just took everything. I'll show you how it is. Whew. So we made it home. Just going to jack up the car now. Yeah, I need that little brake underneath the wheel, otherwise I cannot lift it because it's a bit too low. So yeah, just gonna jack up the car so I can access that bit there easily, and then I'll proceed to put the sensor in, and I'll show you the damage. So yeah, the car is jacked up now. Ooh. Let's go on the floor for this. So yeah, the other one is I left it here because it was hanging off all the way down. It was literally touching the ground. Oh yeah. This is how it is. All broken. I'll show you the difference. There you go. That casing is all gone. Yeah. Luckily I got the cable as well. So I just need to get it all together. Probably do some soldering. But first I'm gonna see if this one works. I'm just gonna plug in this one. I'll try, and then check the dash to see if it's working or not. Because I'll show you that I'll show you here on the dash that the temperature, obviously because the cable is not reading, there's no sensor. This is how I found out. So when you go to temperature, it's 50 degrees, and then it was going down to -40 and then up to 50. I was like, something is wrong with that sensor. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put this one in there. There you go, it fits as it should. This is the old one. I'm just testing to see if it works, because it could be a faulty sensor. So I got it from the scrapyard as well. So let's turn it on. Yeah, it's working. There you go, it's adjusting the temperature now to the temperature outside. It needs to go down because this is England. Yeah. 16, 15.5. Should go down further. 14.5. 40. Keep going. It's cold, way colder than that. So what I'm going to do now is, because I've got all this cable, I'm going to get to this one here, and my pliers, I'm gonna cut it right here, because this one is gone. Look at this. This one was supposed to be, as I showed you before, supposed to be like there. So yeah. Okay, that's all done. Yeah, isolated properly. So now I'm just gonna put this one here. Like that. Lovely. Now I'm just gonna put it on the back. So no, because part of the plastic that was here got snapped. Yeah, that'll do. It's away from the ground and the bottom of the bumper. Right here. So now I'm just going to check the temperatures again. My god, this car is so filthy. I want to wash it, but at the same time there is no point, because once I wash it will be all dirty again, because it's winter and probably it's gonna rain tomorrow. So just let it be. Oh, also look at this, wow. Oh yeah, lovely. It's working. Go further down. 13 is not the temperature right now, but it'll do. I guess it will settle. Yeah, that's all done. Working on the car during the night, but at least today it's not raining, so I'm gonna fuck, I need some light. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold on a second, need some light. Hello. As I was saying, so yeah, I'm just going to do a quick job. Literally just need one socket and the breaker bar. We are going to change the drive belt because the one that I have, it's squeaking. I'll start the car to show you guys. I think you can hear it. It's not too bad now because the car is warmed up, but in the morning it's very loud when it's cold, obviously. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and replace that. Need some light. All we need to do is get this out of the way. There we go. So then we can access the belt and the tensioner, which is right here. It's one of the reasons why I like BMW. It's like everything is right there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I'll get the right size of the socket for the tensioner, which is right here. I think it's 13 mil, I don't know. Yeah, always make sure that you know the diagram of this, otherwise you get it wrong. Yeah. Well, I was wrong. It's a 17 mil. As you can see, this is my breaker bar. I'm using a little extension and a 17 mil socket there. So what we're going to do here is turn it clockwise like this, and you see the tension, the belt coming loose like that, as you can see. Obviously now I'm just gonna put the phone away and remove it, because this is difficult to do it one-handed. It's all out. So yeah, this is the new one here. As you can see, all the grooves are good, obviously, because it's new, and this one is like gone. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in. So yeah, that's all done. As you can see here, new belt is on. It looks neat. Ooh, no. Anyway, yeah, it's all on. Just make sure that all the grooves are like on the, yeah, just gotta make sure that the grooves are in place. Yeah, that's it. That's all done for today.